And just like that, welcome to another season of The Caesar Life. And as you can see, I have some new cosmetic updates to the studio. This being a Blue Yeti microphone. It's not hooked up right now. I'm still talking from the onboard microphone on the camera. But I just picked this up so I can do more Skype interviews, talk to some interesting people, bring some more value to the channel. And I know, people's ears, especially since my wife is a musician, she has like an ear for these sort of things. And I pretty much needed something, especially with the surrounding noises outside, to kind of bring some nice audio quality to my interviews. Don't have any interviews lined up yet, like on schedule, but I do have some awesome people that want me to bring them on, so stay tuned for that. What else? So this season, same agenda. I'll be sharing documenting my journey in entrepreneurship and personal development. So as I continue to grow, hopefully that also, sorry, still battling a cold. So as I continue to grow, hopefully that also provides a transformational experience for you as well. I'm always down to collaborate. And if you are trying to collaborate, if you're a creator and looking to collaborate or looking to grow, and need some advice in some direction, just hit me up in the comments, DMs, I'm all open for it. Today's episode is, I just came back from the gym. Had a pretty light morning since most of my clients are away on vacation, still on their winter excursions this week. We just got hit with a snowstorm, and right now everything is starting to melt away. Tonight I'm going to Link's holiday party, so the gym that I do my classes out of and do a ton of collaboration and work out of. I will be going to their holiday party, so I will be sharing some behind the scenes, and hopefully I could get some people on camera to just share with you what's going on within the fitness industry in Boston. Right now I'm about to hop on 2 phone calls. Like I mentioned that I'm working on a pretty big project for a coach, developing her exercise library. So I'm going to talk to her about basically get some final checks off the list on the audio that she wants, the track that she wants to go forward, the titles, and give her some direction and get an approval so I can continue with her project. Also, another woman from my mastermind group, we're going to be collaborating on her montage video. So tons of producing, right? So I'm like, let me not procrastinate. And also, awesome things come out of these seasons when I produce these seasons, right? So looking forward to having tons more realizations, developing my levels of awareness, increasing my levels of awareness so I can attract what it is that I want into my life, and then also share it with you, because as I am going through this growth in live times, right, I'm just so eager to share it, to help you have that same realization and grow your level of awareness as well. Because the trajectory that I'm on, sky's the limit. Anyway, let me get ready for this call. I will be on the web, just awaiting your responses. So hit me up. All right. So I didn't get to record at all last night's party, but it was fun. We ended up going to some random dive bar downtown, and I didn't get home till 1 a.m. I just got off a call with a guy from London who's also working on the project with me, the video library, and pretty good quick call. I like quick and concise calls like that. Just 5 minutes, tell me what it is that you want, and I'll provide it. Now we're having breakfast with, the star of the show right there. Mr. Noisemaker. And yeah, also Sweat Remix's event tonight. I'm gonna be recording that, so I'll give you some behind the scenes on that. I promise. I know, like, yeah, I promise this one. I give you some behind the scenes look at this like big event that Sweat Remix is gonna put on is all about. Right, kid?
How's it going? Did you try some yet?
I tried them at the other Mind Body event.
Okay, cool. We're gonna try that one as well.
What up?
Goody.
Yo, my man Meech right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Photographer extraordinaire.
Yeah,
You worked hard, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
You worked hard, didn't
Yo,
we?
that lighting was horrible, by the way. But we pulled it through, though.
We pulled it through. You gon' see. And then we got the creative director over here.
Yep.
All right.
I just gotta let him know. Congratulations. You've reached greatness, baby.
There we go.
Yep.
It's going to be a movie.
Oh, man.
It's going to be a movie.
Oh, man. Let me make sure I get gotta hit the angles right. You know what I'm saying? All right, I like this. Look, if your life were a movie, what would it be called? Actually, if your life were a TV show, what would it be called? Because when you think about life as a TV show or a movie, you look at things differently. It's like when you have a camera in your hand, it's like, yo, how do I get this thing to get the right perspective so people can see what I see and really feel what I felt in the moment? You know what I'm saying? But if you name your TV show or name your life, whatever, you start thinking like, okay, am I the hero or the villain? Am I funny or am I whack? Am I fun or am I boring? You know what I'm saying? So start thinking different. Like, for instance, if you wake up every morning, you talking shit, like, everything come out your mouth is negative. No one wants to hear that. You know what I'm saying? Nobody wants to hear that. You know what I'm saying? Make your life interesting. Like right now, if I say, all right, you know what? It's my preferred moment. So I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna change 3 lives. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. You feel what I'm saying? That's an interesting episode. Let's go see what happens. You know what I'm saying? It's just something to think about. If your life were a movie or a TV show, what would it be called? Mine would be called You've Reached Greatness. So I strive for greatness every day. And I made everyone else great. You feel me?